In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate shipping costs on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to set up accurate, real-time rates for your store so customers see the right price at checkout. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account dashboard. From there, head into your dashboard and select Go to Website. This takes you into the site backend where all store settings live. Once you're in the website editor, open Settings, then find the Selling section. Inside Selling, choose Shipping. This is where you control how rates are calculated and what your customers will see at checkout. On the shipping page, open Shipping Options. If you've sold on other platforms before, you'll notice an option to import from Etsy. That's useful if you already have shipping profiles set up elsewhere and want a head start, but it's optional. Today, we'll add an option directly in Squarespace so you understand the process end to end. Click Add Shipping Option. You'll see three paths: flat rate, weight-based, and carrier calculated. Flat rate charges a single price no matter what's in the cart, which can be simple but may not reflect your true costs. Weight-based lets you scale pricing by total order weight, which is helpful if you have consistent product weights. For the most accurate results, carrier calculated pulls live rates from shipping carriers at checkout based on the customer's address, your origin address, the package, and the services you allow. For this walkthrough, choose Carrier Calculated. First, name your shipping option. This name is shown to customers, so make it clear and friendly. For example, use something like Standard Ground or Express 2-Day, and if you know the carrier, you can include it in parentheses to set expectations. Keep it consistent with whatever fulfillment timelines you can reliably meet. Next, enter where you'll ship from. Choose your country, then fill in the address fields, including city, state or region, and zip or postal code. The address is critical. Carriers use it to calculate distance and available services, so make sure it's your actual ship from location, not just a billing address. If you have a second line for a suite or unit, add that in the optional field. Now, choose a carrier. Depending on your region, you'll see supported options. After selecting a carrier, pick the services you want to offer at checkout. You might enable standard and expedited options, but avoid listing every service the carrier provides. Too many choices can confuse customers. Activate only the speeds you can fulfill consistently, and remember that faster services typically cost more. Squarespace will estimate rates based on package details, so set your container options next. Open Select Container Options, then go to Custom Containers to define boxes or mailers that match your real packaging. Click Add Custom Container and enter dimensions and weight accurately. It's best to include the empty container weight plus typical packing materials like tape or paper so your estimates stay true to what you'll pay. If you use multiple box sizes, start with the one that fits most orders. You can add more later as your catalog grows. If you want to cover packing supplies or slight variations in carrier charges, add a markup. Choose Add a Markup and select Percentage. A small percentage can account for materials and handling without surprising customers. Keep it modest so your total stays competitive while still protecting your margins. When everything looks right, the name, origin address, chosen carrier and services, container setup, and markup, save your changes. Your carrier calculated option is now ready, and customers will see accurate real-time shipping costs at checkout based on their address and your packaging. If you ever need simpler pricing for promotions or local orders, you can also return to Add Shipping Option and set up a flat rate or weight-based option to run alongside this one. That's it. You've navigated to your site, opened shipping settings, reviewed import tools, created a new option, configured live carrier rates, defined containers, and added a smart markup. Everything you need to calculate shipping costs on Squarespace with confidence.